Hi, Assalamualaikum. Jom belajar maths dengan teacher Jazz. Okay, so there is a question student asked me how to answer. Okay, let me see what we have here. Okay, so there is two triangle. Okay, triangle PQS. Okay, triangle PQF. If you can see, this is triangle PQF. It is a right angle triangle because we got 90 degree here. And then angle QRS. Okay, this is QRS. Okay, the question asks you to find the cos x and plus tangent y. So given the angle x here, you have to find the cos x, and given the angle y here, you have to find the tangent y, and then you have to calculate the cos x plus tangent y. Okay, so normally soalan ni selalu keluar dalam kertas satu. Okay, so apa yang teacher boleh remind kat you all sini adalah, okay, teacher rasa yang cos x ni semua okay, tak ada masalah, boleh cari. Okay, the big problem here is tangent y. You cannot find the tangent y directly from this triangle. Kita tak boleh cari ni sebab dia bukan right angle triangle. So inilah yang kita kena gunakan pengetahuan kita dalam topik ni, iaitu di mana kita belajar tentang corresponding angle. Okay, the value for the trigonometry. Okay, the exactly value of trigonometry, example tangent y, okay, in quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4, for all the corresponding angle, for the reference angle are same, except for the sign. Kalau you ingat, sign kalau you belajar mana? Ini kan? Ni you punya sign ni. The sign, tanda tanda. Quadrant 1, okay, all positive. Quadrant 2, sign only positive. Quadrant 3, tangent only positive. Quadrant 4, cos only positive. So you have to remember for this theory. Okay, so if we can see that our tangent y, can you guess what is the quadrant for the tangent y? Okay, so if you are not so sure how to determine the quadrant for the angle, okay, starting from here, okay, until this line, the angle y is more than 90 degree, correct? Dia lebih pada 90 tu. Kalau kita buat sudut tegak situ tu lebih. And it is less than 180. Maksudnya dia tak sampai 180 punya line. So this is the property of the quadrant 2. Quadrant 1 ni, quadrant 1 ni only in the angle is between 0 and 90 degree. Quadrant 2 between 90 and 180. Quadrant 3 between the 270 degree and 180 degree, and the last one, quadrant 4, is greater than 270 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay, so now let me see what we have info for the question. Given that the ratio, okay, 5 SR equals to 2 PS, and given the PQ is 16 and SR is 8. So let we label first. SR is 8, PQ is 16. Okay, and then how to find the how to use the ratio given. Okay, first given 5 SR equals to 2 PS. Okay, so we move the ratio 2 here at this left hand side. Okay, so we got 5 over 2, and we move the SR to the right hand side. We got PS over SR. So we learned that in ratio, the PS ratio to SR we can write into this format. Okay, PS double dot SR. So it is also 5 double dot 2. Okay, so it is easiest to us to calculate in this method. Dalam bentuk ni. Whereas we can compare, given the SR 8 cm. So we have now, the 2 ratio is equal to 8 cm. So can you guess for one ratio how many centimeter? So it is 8 divided by 2. Okay, 8 divided by 2, we got 4, or 2 times 4, we got 8. Okay, so if we 2 times 4, we got 8 centimeter. It is also same with this ratio. 5 times 4 is equals 20 centimeter. Okay, so now we have the length of the PS here is 20. So we can find this length of QS. Okay, so this is a trigonometric ratio. To find the QR is equals, okay, square root of 20 square minus 16 square. So we got QR is 12. So this is 12 centimeter. This is 20. Okay. And next, okay. When we have the 20 and 8 centimeter for this length of PS and SR, okay, we can find our cos at first. Okay, your angle is here, your X. So what is cos? Adjacent over hypotenuse. So which is adjacent? Okay, this one, 16. Sometimes students are confusing. Okay, it is 16 or 20. Remember, if we have the measurement, the longest sides in the right angle triangle must be the hypotenuse, cannot be the adjacent. Clear? And if we not have the measurement for the side, so we do not know which one is the longest, okay, you can find where is the 90 degree. The opposite side with the 90 degree must be the hypotenuse. So it cannot be the adjacent. So this is your adjacent. Okay, mana dah tahu kan, kita masa tu kita lupa alamak mana dah nak ambil adjacent dia. Tu cara dia kena ingat. Okay. So we got 16 over 20. So I simplify, we got 4 over 5. And this is the positive value. Remember, always remember when you got the value for the trigonometry, you have to make sure what is the sign. It is positive or negative. So how we want to determine the sign, we use this theory. So this is in quadrant 1. Okay, so kalau kita tengok X kan. Nampak X ni. Ni. Lebih tak 90? Tak sampai kan? Maka dia quadrant 1. Teacher dia terbalik kat bawah lah. Teacher ni bukan quadrant 4 ke teacher? Bukan. Kita bukan tengok position dia dekat mana-mana macam tu. Tak. Kita tengok dia punya angle. Tengok daripada sini dia start, dia sampai sini. Nampak? Tak sampai pun 90. Yang ini baru 90. Maka dia quadrant 1 lah. Okay, so it is a positive. So we finish for the cos F. Okay, next one, we have to find the tangent Y. Okay, how to find the tangent Y? Okay. Can we find the tangent Y directly from here? This angle, this triangle. Cannot. Okay, remember. Why? Because it is a not right angle triangle. The trigonometry value cosine tangent only can find directly from the right angle triangle. That's why we learn about the reference angle. Example, I label as alpha here. So we can find our tangent Y by referring this angle alpha. We find tangent alpha. But remember, the sign is refer to the original angle that you want to find. Dia mesti ikut yang angle asal kita nak cari. Dia tak boleh ikut yang ini. Yang ni kita just nak cari dia punya value sahaja, nombor sahaja. So tangent Y yang asal ni, kalau kita tengok, kita determine dulu dia punya sign. Okay, tengok angle dia. Nampak tak? Greater than 90 kan? Tapi dia tak sampai 180. So this property is refer to the quadrant 2. So kalau quadrant 2, the sign only positive. Kita nak apa? Nak tangent. Maka kita put the sign negative here. You have to put your sign negative. Okay? And then, what is your tangent Y? Okay, find your tangent alpha. Okay, the numbers is, the value and the numbers are same. Except the sign. The sign refer to your angle. Which quadrant? Clear? Okay. So, example you have your alpha here. Okay, tadi kita dah dapat kan sini berapa tadi? 12. Betul tak? Okay, so tangent is opposite over adjacent. So, we got 16 over 20 square minus 60 square. We got 12. Okay. Okay, so it is 4 over 3. So, kalau tangent alpha 4 over 3, tangent Y pun also 4 over 3. Cuma bezanya tangent Y ni quadrant 2, dia ada negative sign. So the answer is negative 4 over 3. Kita ambil value je yang sama. Okay, so now we put into the calculation cos F plus tangent Y. So 4 over 5 plus negative 4 over 3, we got C, 8. Negative 8 over 15. So this is how to answer for this question. So I hope, okay, with my explanation helps you to answer this question. Okay, bentuk soalan macam ni selalu masuk. Okay, dia suka sangat tanya kita. Okay, related dengan angle yang bukan direct daripada right angle triangle. So you have to remember the step and how to find the value for the trigonometry. Okay, so thank you guys. Bye.